There are so many hair growth oils on the market. There's no magic. It's a process. But I have found that this combination has worked for me. I'm still a work in process in certain areas of my hair, but since I started using clean, good ingredients, I'm seeing the results. And I'm using castor oil as my base. It penetrates better than any other oil. Go out there and look it up. I'm no doctor or can claim to know anything on an expert level, but wanted to share this because I know that it works for me. I also have my recipe on my website, and you can go to my website by clicking on my link in my bio and go to Amazon Finds Hair, Makeup, and Body. And that is where you will find all the ingredients that I used in the video. And guess what? You'll see the results of what it does. I use it in my parts when I wear braids, and when I'm wearing my hair curly, it's best for that. If you're wearing fresh blow-dried hair and you want that extra body, you may not want to use a heavy oil, but look at that. I'm wearing my curls and it works.